Baby Blue. Make some noise for Baby Blue.
Big up on yourself. Everybody will come out tonight to watch all of the performers. Them on the big up on yourself. I appreciate 150% is it. Can you tell me what I do, friendly? Can you tell me what I do, friendly? Yeah, I want to know. Yeah, I want to know. Can you tell me what I do, friendly? Yeah, yeah. Them say them my true friend, and them smiling at your face. As I told you about them stabbing at your back, yeah, yeah. And them want to see your fear. That's why I'm staying on me own alley. Them say me, to me keep myself to myself and now the same one where you trust them to sell you out. That's why I'm staying on me own alley. Them say me, to me keep myself to myself and now the same one where you trust them to sell you out. But say you can't trust people. Call out for them are evil. The same one but say them are your friend. And them a set you up from way back when. And you want me come and tell you from my secret. See you go a road and just go leak it. That's why me always depend for me yard. See you out of trouble and turn off in me yard. That's why me saying I'm on alley. Them say me, to me keep myself to myself and now the same one where you trust them to sell you out. That's why I'm saying I'm on alley. Them say me, keep myself to myself, you know. The same one where you trust them to sell you, look how far we have come from. Yo, yeah. Look how far we have come from. And you want me come and tell you for my secret. See you go a road and just go there. That's why me always step up in me yard. See you out of trouble and turn off in me yard. That's why me staying on me own alley. Them say me, keep myself to myself and all. The same one where you trust them to sell you out. That's why I'm on my own alley. Them say me, to me keep myself to myself and all. The same one where you trust them to sell you out. God knows I'm not hate you, but just don't rate you. Cause you are the fakest. You tell me you just play the latest. They say you have a friend of that style that you come with. Oh, you feel good, you feel move on and earn it. And you see how long with the fun to me journey, to me journey. And that's why I'm staying on me own alley. Them say me, to me keep myself to myself and all. The same one where you trust them to sell you out. That's why I'm staying on me own alley. Them say me, to me keep myself to myself and all. The same one where you trust them to sell you out.
Staying on the wall alley now.
Alright, so what does the judges say about Baby Blue?
Facts, Baby Blue. Big up yourself. I love the rhythm, I love the tune, I love the message, right? Definitely it's gonna be an 8 for me. I love the confidence you come out with this week. You focus this week in a no mistake, right? So I love the message. Everything we say is facts. Stay in your own lane. Oh, I said 8, right? Okay.
Baby Blue. You blow like baby, not true. Alright, good. Your confidence was up there. Lyrics was on point. And because you're up in your own lane, me go give you a 9, Baby Blue. Alright?
For real. But now, like, we have to get up for that one now. Ping, 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 ping. Yo, you're shot, you know. You know what I like about your Baby Blue? Eh? You do it like you're out there road. That tune sound like it's there out there. And you see when you come and engage the audience and you go across and come across and a normal thing. Yeah, me love how you go on in yourself. You see it? We can see say boy, you have it certain way and you grow. And there's growth. Yeah, me give you a 10. Me not lie. Ping!